Oh shit. It says no buses. Greg, I'm breaking the law.
The first time.
Oh Christ. Now what?
Here we are, Santa Monica Pier. Got here for the drivers meeting. Myself, Tom Simon, Jerry Matsko. There's a couple of the entries. 11:05. 11:23. Jumbo, some of the crowd. There's Jay. Of course, our ace in the hole, pro mod man, Jerry Matsko. Jay's got a new car. Mr. Simon.
Shows up last week.
He's got a new ride.
I think it's 412 or 411. What do you say, Greg? What is this thing?
I'm gonna call it a 412.
All right. Well, it's got the rally lights up front.
Quad lights.
Gotta like that. Howdy, guys.
What's happening, Jay?
Project. How you doing, man?
Fantastic, man.
We're going to have one vehicle for each.
Tom Simon's already running stop signs.
Hell yeah. Which way, Jerry?
Ready? Yes, ready. I think you turn right here. We're off. Beetle Ball Blizzard 500. Tom Simon behind the wheel.
Hell yeah, baby. Blizzard ball. Gotta love it.
We gotta love our new one. Mr. Pro Mod himself, Jerry Matsko. It's on, baby.
Jerry Matsko working it.
Working those gauges. City here, and we had a good time. It was a lot of fun, and we didn't come in last. Jay broke it down somewhere along the way. I think he got as far as Carson City, but I want to thank Tom, who was our starter, original wheelman, did a hell of a job.
Heck yeah.
Tom, thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much.
Jerry Matsko, he's our pro mod guy, our driver. He came in at the last minute, and man, he drove his heart out for us. He had shortcuts. He was making deals at the stoplight with a guy in an F-150 to tell him to go block Jeff
our
Copeland, who
competition.
was out in front. And
I'd say we took a shortcut through the Washoe Indian Reservation. Didn't even know there was such a thing.
and
Lots
he
of
did a
fun.
bang-up job. Jerry was dropped behind the wheel when we were through all the twisties, and we were right on Copeland's ass. It was a lot of fun. He also set the high speed on this event, so good times, man. Thank you so much,
times.
Jerry. Thank you
Good
so much,
times.
Tom.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Looks like we're gonna do Beetle Ball 24. You're gonna join us for
Yes,
that
I am.
one.
I think so. What's that, in July?
I think that's in August.
August.
Yeah.
We can do that in
so
August.
this is the team, and
Can't wait.
yeah, it
gonna
was
be
good
fun.
times, man.